Hello and welcome, my name is Callum from Wrexham Volkswagen and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. This is the Volkswagen Sharan TDI SE NAV. It's a 2019 model with 3,000 miles on the clock. It comes finished in Atlantic blue metallic paintwork and features the 2-litre diesel engine with the automatic transmission. On the front you can find your halogen clear headlights with the daytime running lights. It also comes with the stylish 16-inch Memphis alloy wheels. Into the boot you can see it does come with an additional row of seating, still provides a reasonable amount of space for any smaller items, and with the seats down you've got plenty of room in here. It comes with the electric sliding rear doors here, so you can just pull the handles simply like so and it opens nice and easily. Inside you have the striped cloth upholstery, offering excellent comfort. You've got spacious 2 rear extra seats there with ISOFIX mounting points, as do the second row here with again 3 spacious seats. In front of the second row you've got 2 USBs as well, allowing passengers to charge up devices. Into the front you've got plenty of controls here with your lighting behind the steering wheel there, lovely media system in the centre as well. The front seats come with the manual adjustment for forwards and backwards and do also come with the electric lumbar support so you can get as comfortable as possible. On the steering wheel you'll find the cruise control to the left, including volume, as well as controls for the digital screen here in the centre. You have the sign recognition there as well, which is fantastic, and you can view the audio, navigation and phone options on the media system. Taking a look on here now. Starting off with the radio, you've got DAB offering stations from across the country. You've also got plenty of personal inputs such as a CD player, USB and SD card reader. Navigation system does also come with the traffic, and you've also got App Connect for smartphone integration. Front and rear parking sensors make manoeuvring a little bit easier, providing an audible noise when close to obstructions, as well as a visual on screen so you can see where said obstructions are. Underneath this you'll find the dual zone climate controller, allowing individual temperature adjustment to the left and right side of the vehicle. Further down here you've got plenty of storage space in the centre with your automatic transmission there, electronic parking brake, as well as even more storage in the armrest with a USB. For more information contact us directly on 01978 503 523 or check out similar stock on our website at swanswayGarages.com.